Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today I will discuss methods of integration. Method of integration. First one is integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. Exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Okay. First one, 2x by, find the integration, 2x by 1 plus x square, 2x by 1 plus x square. Second one, log x whole square, log x whole square by x. Third one, 1 by x plus x log x, x plus x log x. Find the integration. This method is integration by substitution. Find the integration. Integral. First, integration 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Okay. First, put 1 plus x square equal to t. 1 plus x square equal to t. Okay. 1 derivative 0. X square derivative 2x, again x derivative dx, equal to t derivative dt. Directly 1 derivative 0, x square derivative, this is x power n form, 2x, x derivative dx, equal to t derivative dt. Suppose y derivative dy. Okay. 2x dx equal to dt. 2x dx equal to dt. Substitute these values here. Integration of 2x dx, numerator 2x dx equal to dt by denominator 1 plus x square equal to t. Integration of dt by t. Integration of dx by x equal to log x plus c. Apply this formula. Here x replace t is there. Integration dt by t. Log t plus c. What is t? T means 1 plus x square. Log of 1 plus x square plus c. This is substitution method. First, given question 2x by 1 plus x square into dx. Put 1 plus x square equal to t. Differentiate 1 derivative 0. X square derivative 2x into x derivative dx equal to t derivative dt. Substitute given question 2x dx equal to dt by denominator t. Integration dt by t equal to log t plus c. What is t? T means 1 plus x square. Log of 1 plus x square plus c. This is first one. Next goes to second one. Here integration log x whole square by x into dx. Now log x equal to t. Put log x equal to t. Log x derivative 1 by x into x derivative dx equal to t derivative dt. Okay, log x derivative 1 by x into x derivative dx equal to t derivative dt. Okay, substitute integration log x means t square dx by x equal to dt. dx by x equal to dt. T square into dt. Integration t square into dt. T means log x, no? Log x equal to t. t square dx by x equal to dt, dx by x equal to dt. This is log x whole square, dt means dx by x. Now apply integration. Apply integration. t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. This is the exponent form. Integration x power n into dx. Here x is there, here x is there, here t is there, here t is there. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here n means 2. That implies t cube by 3 plus c. T cube by 3 plus c. What is t? T means log x. Log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Log x whole cube by 3 plus c. T means log x, as it is power 3 by 3 plus c. This is log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Okay, this is second one. Next, third one. Third one, integration dx by x plus x into log x. Dx by x plus x into log x. Integration dx by here x, take common, x common, 1 plus log x. X into 1, x into log x log x. Now 1 plus log x equal to t. Put 1 plus log x equal to t. 1 plus log x equal to t. 1 derivative 0. Log x derivative 1 by x. Again x derivative dx equal to dt. T derivative dt. Substitute given question. Integration first dx by x. Dx by x dt by denominator 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x equal to t. 1 plus log x equal to t. First dx by x. Dx by x equal to dt whole divided by 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x equal to t. Integration dt by t equal to log t plus c. Log t plus c. What is t? T means 1 plus log x. Log of 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x plus c. 1 plus log x plus c. This formula, integration dx by x. Dx by x equal to log x. Here also same. Integration dt by t. Integration dt by t log t. What is t? T means 1 plus log x. Log of 1 plus log x plus c. Log of 1 plus log x plus c. This is third one. Substitution method. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Integration of sin x cos of sin of cos x. Sin of cos x. Okay. Integration of sin x sin of cos x into dx. Okay. Next, put cos x equal to t. Put cos x equal to t. Integration of sin x into sin of cos x into dx. Put cos x equal to t. This is considered t. Cos x derivative, cos x derivative minus sin x, again sin x derivative dx. Cos x derivative minus sin x derivative dx. That equal to t derivative dt. T derivative dt. But here only sin x dx is there, but here minus is there. Minus, multiply on both sides. Minus into minus plus sin x into dx equal to minus dt. Minus dt. Sin x dx equal to minus dt. Sin x dx equal to minus dt. Integration of minus outside. Sin of cos x. Cos x means t. sin t into dt. Here sin x dx, value minus dt, minus outside, dt is there. Next, sin of cos x means t, sin t, cos x replace t, sin t as it is. Again integration, minus of integration of sin t, minus cos t plus c, integration of sin t minus cos t plus c, minus plus cos t plus c. What is t? T means cos x, cos x plus c, cos x plus c. Here t means cos x, Next, question number 5. Sin of x plus b, integration of sin of ax plus b, cos of ax plus b into dx. Here to multiply and divided by 1 by 2 outside, integration of 2 into sin ax plus b into cos of ax plus b into dx. Here to multiply and divide, 2 to get cancelled, we will get same step. 2 sin a cos a formula. 2 sin a cos a equal to sin 2a. Here a means ax plus b. 1 by 2 outside as it is. Integration of sin 2a. A means ax plus b into dx. 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a into dx. Next, put ax plus b equal to t. Ax plus b, this is inner. Ax plus b equal to t. A constant as it is, x derivative dx, derivative of any constant 0, that equal to t derivative dt. But here only dx is there. But here a into dx is there. A sent to that side. Here multiply goes to that side. Division. Dx equal to dt by a. Here multiply goes to that side. Division. Okay. Substitute. 1 by 2 outside. Integration of sin 2t. Sin 2t. Dx equal to dt by a. Here dt by a. 1 by a outside. Here see 1 by 2 as is, sin 2t. Ax plus b equal to t. Sin 2t into dx equal to dt by a. Dt here 1 by a outside. Next, 1 by 2a integration of sin 2t. Integration of sin 2t minus cos 2t by 2 plus c, minus cos 2t by 2 plus c. This is integration of sin kx into dx minus cos kx by k plus c. Here integration, division, differentiation, multiply. Okay, integration. T coefficient, division. Here x coefficient k. Sin kx derivative minus integration of sin kx minus cos kx by k plus c. Here same as this. Sin 2t integration minus cos 2t by 2 plus c. Minus before random minus 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 4a cos 2t plus c what is t? T means ax plus b minus 1 by 4a into cos of 2 into ax plus b plus c minus 1 by 4a minus 1 by 4a cos of 2 into ax plus b minus 1 by 4a cos of 2 into ax plus b plus c. Okay, this is question number 5, very important. Question number 5, very important. Next, question number 6. Question number 6, under root of ax plus b. Question number 6, under root of ax plus b. Ax plus b. Question number 6. Question number 6, under root of integration of under root of ax plus b into dx. Substitution method. Under root of ax plus b into dx. Okay, first ax plus b, put ax plus b equal to t. X plus b equal to t. Differentiation. A derivative, a constant as it is, x derivative dx, b derivative 0, t derivative dt. Here only dx is there, dx as is, dt by a goes to that side, division, a goes to that side, division, dx replace dt by a, x plus b replace t. Integration of ax plus b value t, root t into dx equal to dt by a, 1 by a outside into dt by a, 1 by a constant outside. Next, 1 by a into integration of t power 1 by 2, root t written as t power 1 by 2 into dt, 1 by a into, this is integration of x power n form, x power n, t power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c, t power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, this is value 3 by 2, this is also 3 by 2, 1 by a into t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. Next, final answer, 1 by a into 3 by 2 goes to numerator, 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c, 2 by 3 into a, 3a. What is t? T means ax plus b, ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 3 into a, 3a. T replace ax plus b. What is t? T means ax plus b, ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. This is question number 6. Okay, first integration under root of x plus b into dx. Put ax plus b equal to t. Differentiate a as it is constant, x derivative dx, derivative of any constant 0, t derivative dt. Only I want dx, remaining dx into the side, division. Substitute. Okay, under root of ax plus b equal to t, under root of t. Okay, next dx equal to dt by a, dt as is 1 by a outside. Integration of t power 1 by 2. This is x power n form, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Apply integration here. T power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. T power 1 by 2 plus 1. T power 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 goes to numerator, 2 by 3. Numerator, denominator. What is t? T means ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c. 2 by 3a into ax plus b whole power 3 by 2 plus c.